point is only to start. Exactly, you just dive in, you just do it, and it's okay to fail. I mean, people
Yeah.
people today are also afraid of failure. I don't understand why. uh, Probably it's because they think that that's a lot of time being invested and no output, but actually there's more output to it than any other success that
Probably
actually
because
happened.
the age limit has dropped now. I mean, for people growing up before us, it was sort of like they have a good life by the time they're 35, it's nice. For us, it's they
Yes.
have to be a billionaire by 25, and that's it. For most of us.
There's a pressure like that, and trust me, if
Yeah.
you're persistent with something for so long, then there's no way that that is not going to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, people have to be okay with failure. I mean, it's like, they say, fail fast, fail early, fail fast, like,
Yeah,
the
exactly.
yeah, it's like, the earlier you start failing, the faster you learn. And it's like it's like people say that many people who are more successful than them usually have failed more number of times than they have. And
Exactly.
that's why they probably are more successful than them, and that's what most
Exactly.
people don't see. People see the, all the cars and the houses and the,
Exactly.
amazing research papers and the companies they're working in, but what they don't see is
Yeah.
like the harsh times, the dark times of people, when they thought nothing was going to work out, and they thought nothing is, in going in their favor, and they felt like giving up. But news and all, they
Exactly.
don't really highlight that, the imperfections that come along the way, the
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
failures
Yes.
and the heartbreaks that come, right?
yeah.
So that's
So,
something that people really need to remember about.
Akash will come to
Yes.
more.
There's always a backstory to that. Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, so we'll come to more specific
Yeah.
questions later. I just have I have a question I want to ask myself. So I was working on a research project recently, and
Mm-hmm.
for about a month, we were stuck on a bug in our code.
Okay. Cool.
We
Oh my.
just could not
Okay.
identify what was happening. And after a month, there was that pursuit of happiness moment when I finally solved it. But that was a really difficult month for me. So, um,
Yes.
and a month is a long period because you're putting in effort, but nothing's happening out
Yep.
of it. So, how do you
Yes.
deal with times like these? Because I'm sure you must have had these. Like, how do you pull yourself up
Of course.
when you have nothing to look forward to?
How to pull yourself up? I mean, the best way to do this is learning how to, you know, uh, control what is happening inside. I mean, you can't cling on to, some few things, right? Like, I'm sure that you felt distress over time for a month when you
Yeah,
were not really, able to get the desired output. But how many
yeah.
times did you feel like giving up during this phase?
Pretty much.
Maybe actually, I did not feel like giving up. I felt like, what's the point of all
Hmm?
this? I did not feel like giving
Exactly.
up, but I
Exactly.
felt like, yeah, I felt like maybe it's not for me. Like, I'm not good enough for this.
Uh,
But I never thought, okay, I'll
this
stop trying.
Yes. So as long as anybody thinks that they're not going to stop trying, there is always a way, and which is why I believe you found it. Which is why, anybody finds it, and there are certain cases which this doesn't happen, but those are very rare. Those are very rare. It is going to take time, and of course, you were lucky, or not. Maybe I would not say that it's lucky, but yes, 1 month you did well, and then some people they take 5 years. Imagine the persistence required then.
Oh,
So so
yeah.
it's really about how you're willing to take this up as a challenge. It's really about how you're able to control your mental state, like, uh, and this happens through experience, is what I believe. uh, Take up some usual tasks, take up some, you know basic tasks that not everybody can do. Gain the confidence that you can do this, gain the confidence that you're able to make this happen better and in an efficient way as compared to others. And once you have that confidence, once you have that sense of
Once you're in
belief that
momentum
you
with,
can happen, yeah, so nothing can stop you after that, because you know that you can do this. And then uh, after a point, nobody can stop you, to be honest, not even yourself. If you start thinking that there's something that you can't do in this, the other part of your brain kicks you back, says ki, just given more time, you will be able to do this, and that
Yeah,
part wins.
it's like
That
a
part
mirror,
always wins.
right? Like as soon as
Yeah.
it sees you trying to give up, it's like it gives you a kick, right? It gives you a punch on the
Yeah.
head, saying that, hey, dude, you can
Yes.
still do this, right? You need to get yourself together, and you need to contain yourself. Like it's not over yet. So you need to keep pushing, right? And
Yes.
whenever people feel like giving up, I think the best way is to go back and ask yourself why you actually started it, because
Yep.
Yeah.
that's one of the most powerful, I think the most powerful reasons why people not don't give up when they're in really tough times. Just go back, ask yourself why you started it, and if it's a good enough reason, then you probably won't give up.
Yes. Yes. If it is a good enough reason, yes, that is the main point. Yes.
Yep. Okay, so let us just go to a really important question.